Are you ready for tips and tricks with Miss Linda? That's me. My tip for today is how to make an instant copy. We're going to do a graphite transfer. They sell graphite paper. Let me see if I can pull this guy out. There we go. Listen to it. So thin. And I'm sure I have it on my hands as well. This is all graphite. And graphite is not lead. There was never such thing as a lead pencil. It's actually a mineral that's formed when it's exposed to heat and pressure. Pencils are also filled with this, but there's also another type of pencil. This is just a graphite pencil. It has no wood around it. This definitely will get your fingers dirty, but it's just a mineral. I want to show you how, say I have this boat, and I'm not fond of this front sail at all. I'm not really fond of the front of it. But say I'm doing a painting, and I need this in a certain spot. I can take my pencil, and I've done a lot of it already, and the finger bumper comes in real handy for this. And I'm going to go over it one way. I'll go up. You can see through it a little bit so you know where to go, but I'll also show you another way. Go one way and then the other way. Then you're going to place your paper down where you want it. You're going to draw over it firmly. All right, let's change this. I want it bowed. I want it to look like it's blowing in the wind. And I don't need such a big one here. In this, I'm just going to do one. I can always add after I've done my transfer. You can hear the pencil. You can hear I'm pushing hard. Whoop, but up. Now I'm going to look. Line them up. Oh, I gave you a peek at what's going to happen. No surprises today from Miss Linda. All right. And then maybe I want a flag here. You can change things. That's the joy of transferring something. You start with your original idea, and I really don't like this on the back. That looks like there's another boat following it, so I'm going to get rid of that. Then I want some depth. Ready? Here we go. Boom, I made a copy that quick with just rubbing my pencil on the back. There's one way to do it. The other way to do it is if you happen to have the graphite stick. This is really actually cold. You can tell it comes from a rock, so to speak. This one is a little easier, gives you a little more graphite. Oh, if you noticed, I held it up and I could see through it, and I drew a line around so I didn't have to do the whole doggone paper. We would be here all day long. 10 to 1, some of it's coming on there. Yes, that's another transfer. We are transferring everywhere. All right, now I'm going to turn around, take my graphite stick, put it off to the side, line my paper up. And actually, I would like him to be a little more centered, so I can move my paper. You can plan a little bit better when you're doing these transfers. And again, Miss Linda is going faster than you probably should. I don't remember if I did that. And generally, you're putting color over these. And I think I want this a little bit bigger. Give it a grander wing. Oh, and I really don't like this. It just looks like I don't know, it just doesn't look right to Miss Linda. So I'm going to change that. There. Not fond of these, but I remember what I used this drawing for. We did a collage out of this, and I think that's why the spaces are so big. 1, 2, hold your paper down, otherwise it'll go slipping. One more here, and I think I'm going to point this out. Ready? Boom, rooster, done. Now you have 2. This is by far the easiest. You'd have to purchase this graphite transfer sheets. And if you notice, I've already got it on this one. So I'll take this bug and put it here in the center again. I might want to have him hiding in the grass, or she could be looking for her next meal. This definitely works the best. And if you put your hand here and you want to make sure you're doing it right, lift it. Look at that compared to the others. Might be worth the investment if you're doing serious paintings. Now I'm going to eliminate these joints and give them some claws. Now that I have this, I don't have to do those. That was my original drawing. So I'm going to make these real bug legs for one, bug feet I should say. I don't need all these. I can just go around them and create my bug without my trial. All right, I am almost there, but guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to give him two there. Or she. I don't know if it's a he or she. It's a bug. Let's lift it up. Did I miss anything? I don't think so. See? I didn't have to put all of those trial joints in it because I can go over it. Now I can do my coloring and do the background and finish it up. 3 ways to transfer and make an instant copy.